don't like this. How could you allow it?
I don't understand.
What don't you understand? How could you allow my brother turn you to an errand boy in your own house? And the worst part of it is that you didn't even want to tell me about it.
Well, I don't see anything wrong with helping your brother. Remember, he's my brother-in-law.
You don't see anything wrong with running errand for my brother? For crying out loud, you are my husband, and that makes you the head of this house. Come on, love, why are you this soft? Why are you this soft?
Well, I believe he's not going to stay here forever. He will leave one day and we're going to have the house to ourselves. So in the meantime, let me help him and also keep myself busy.
Enough! Enough, please! Like I said before, you are my husband and no one has the right to insult you. Please, man up. How dare you? How dare you, Amobi?
What have I done this time again?
What have you not done? How dare you disrespect my husband in my house?
Okay, Adam, how again have I disrespected your husband? And moreover, is it not Onyeka? Eh? Is it not common Onyeka, a low-life gold digger? I mean, what's the shout for? Ha! I beg you.
Amobi, I am holding myself. I mean, I am this close to slapping the hell out of you. If not that you are my elder brother, only God knows what I would do to you for calling my husband names. How dare you? You sit here, enjoy my drink, and talk anyhow in my house.
Yeah. No, you dare tell me your elder brother that you slapped me? Wait. Did I even hear you say you will ask me out? You will send me out of your house?
Listen, and listen very good, Amobi. If you cannot respect my husband in my house, which is now his, then you have no business here.
Hey! Has it gotten to this? Where is my phone? Mama must hear this. Mama? Hey!
Did you not see I was watching that?
And so? Small yash, they shake. If you shake that small yash, reach my side there, I'll woz you small slap. Then you go confirm saying a small thing they make me vex.
Do you know you're stupid?
Eh?
Yes. You're very stupid.
I am stupid.
Yes.
I will not fall for your temptation. Just get out. Just get out if you don't like what I'm watching.
Idiot. Useless fool. What did you just do?
I tapped your bum bum.
Don't you ever in your life touch me again. Are you listening to me?
And if I do?
Try me. Fool.
Come on, Ash, they shake. Come over.
What is wrong with you? What has come over you?
If you don't have much again, I'll slap hell out of you. Are you mad? Are you mad?
Daddy, don't touch my mom! You're just here to cause trouble! I don't even know what you're doing in my brother's house! You're just here to cause trouble! Go home! Go back to your house!
This one.
Ifoma, don't ever disrespect him like that again. Do you understand? Or do you want to leave this house?
Brother, are you the one saying this? After listening to what I told you inside?
Whatever he does to you, just ignore it. He's leaving this house very soon. Do you understand?
But he touched my...
I know. Just ignore him. He's leaving this house very, very soon. Just enjoy it.
I'm going to call Mama. Mama needs to hear this. I'll call Mama. You don't...
Like this. What wine is this?
Look at you.
Sister.
Chidi, you're welcome.
Hi, thank you.
Chidi,
Brother Onyeka,
how are you?
I'm very good. You guys are enjoying it?
Yes.
I came quite on time.
How is Papa?
Sister Papa is fine. He sent his regards to the both of you.
And troublesome mother.
My mother-in-law is not troublesome. Watch your mouth.
Mama is fine, but you know, her usual troubles, dishing it out every now and then.
I know.
Yes. Sister, where is Amobi? She's the reason I came here.
Amobi left this morning. He left for the village this morning.
But I am just coming from the village and he's not there. Oh, why now? He's the main reason I came to visit. Well, and of course, to see you.
To see me too.
To see us.
To see us.
In that case, let me take you to the guest room.
Let me help him out.
Let me just get it myself.
No. I'm sure you're very hungry. Let me.
Don't worry. I can hold it myself.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm
No, don't
sure.
worry.
No.
You're welcome. No.
One now.
No. My husband.
Good morning.
Good morning, bro. How have you been?
I've been good. And you?
Very well. So, when did you arrive?
Well, I came in yesterday, but the time I got in, I learned you left already.
Yeah, I usually come home late from work. You're welcome.
Thank you.
So, how are your parents?
They're all fine. The other day I saw your mom. Such a beautiful woman.
My mom is a beautiful woman.
Of course she is.
Thank you.
All right.
Alright, let me finish up, yeah?
Okay then. Hope you slept well. Hey! How far? I'm good, bro.
What are you doing?
Tidying up, of course.
No. I'm supposed to do the dishes.
Really?
Yes.
No, you don't have to bother about it.
No. Let me do it.
I insist.
No.
I insist.
I have to do it.
Bronyeka, you see, you don't have to be doing all these things as the man of the house, and moreover, when someone like me is around, you shouldn't bother about all those things. I will do it.
I belong here.
No,
The kitchen is my home. Let me help you do it. Don't worry.
okay. I insist, don't worry.
I just heard your name.
You're trying to play smart.
Your sister is calling you.
I don't believe you.
Your sister is calling you.
I didn't hear. No,
Go.
you're trying. Oh, Bronyeka, stop now. Stop.
Okay.
Yes. Don't worry about it.
That's fine. What do you want for breakfast?
Anything.
Anything?
Yes, anything.
Alright.
If you need me, just let me know. I can assist anyway.
Cheregodo, you mean that rat, that mweke, that bastard, one baby, was doing all this around your sister?
Mama, you need to see the way Baby Robber was throwing me around in the compound. You need to see the way Baby Robber was ordering me around like one house boy that they just brought from Ekotep. Mama, the one that pained me to my scrotum is my little sister Oledo asking me to leave her house.
Oledo asked you to leave their house.
Mama, Oledo said, "Wabe."
It is the fault of that bomb baby. You see that imp? That imbecile. He has not seen the last of me. Ma Goroyochi. We will say, God lakweze.
Mama, where is this one they call Chidi? Manokarot. I've not seen him.
Why do you always spoil our mood? Since you want to know, your father sent him to the city. You know how he behaves. But you know what? I will soon shock that idiot. I will shock that boy.
Chidi, the city. Mama, there is this thing I want us to deliberate on.
What is that?
You see, now that my sister, Oledo, is pregnant, don't you think it's wise you take it slow with the charm? See, I don't want my sister to become a widow, or the baby fatherless. See, Mama, I don't even want that Baby Robber to die. I don't want him to die. I want him to be alive and become our slave for life. Yes, now.
Hi! Why sense? This shows you have my direct blood in you. You're welcome. Let me go and fix you a sumptuous meal.
Yes. No, Mama.
All for you.
But you add periwinkle for me.
Everything now. Don't you trust your mother again?
Hey, Mama.
Let me go and start.
Yes, so. Oh, Mommy.
Wait for one baby.
Mommy, get out, you're too good. Go away, you're too good to be my mother, Joe. Hi.
Idiot. Get away! Get away!
You don't look happy. What is it?
I'm not happy.
Why?
My mother is here.
Oh, okay, that's good news. Let me go and say hello to her.
Hello? What are you saying? I mean, how can she come to my house without informing me first? And she came with a big bag, which means that she's not leaving anytime soon.
But I don't see anything wrong with that. She's your mother and she can stay as long as she wants.
Honey, what are you saying? My mother is trouble. You know what? I want to go downstairs and drive her out of the house.
No, you can't do that. It's a big house. She can stay.
You really don't see anything wrong with my mother being here?
No.
How is the sister?
Mama, she's doing well.
I hope she's eating well and resting well.
Yes, Mama, she's.
Her husband is not stressing her so much.
Mama, they're all fine. How was your journey?
Fine. Fine.
Very well.
Mama.
Adam, Nebia, how are you?
Mama, you're welcome to our house.
Hope you're eating while you're resting.
Mama, you're welcome to our house.
Shut up! If you don't talk to me, I'll slap you. What is that? Did I come to see you?
Slap my husband. Mama.
I hope you're eating well. You're resting. He's not stressing you too
Mama,
much.
she's fine.
I hope you're not allowing her to do all the chores.
Mama, I am fine. This is my house. Stop saying that. I don't like this.
Mama, we're both fine.
Oledo, hold this man and we hit him. Go inside the house. I brought salad and for pounded yam. Go and pound the yam, make salad for my daughter to eat now.
Right away, Mama.
Go now. Go and do it.
Mama. I don't want to disrespect you. You are my mother.
And you're not respecting me already.
How can you threaten to slap my husband, talk to him, insult him in my presence? This is not right. I will not take it from you.
Oh no, she was just joking. Ma, she doesn't mean it.
See that fruit I bought?
Yes, ma.
It's for your wife.
Okay.
It's for my daughter.
Yes, ma.
Don't taste. If you taste it, I will slap you.
No problem.
Don't taste one of it.
There she goes again.
Huh?
Look at how skinny you're looking. I hope he's not allowing you to do all the chores alone in this house.
No, Mama.
Did I ask you? Oh, but did I ask you? Why are you just getting on my nerves? Did I ask you?
I love you, baby.
Stop calling my husband names. I choose to be skinny. My love, don't go anywhere. Stay here.
Mama.
You're not the help. You're not the Stay here.
Mama. How about Mama? Regardless, he's still the man of the house. You should give him some respect.
Chidi, you're making me go crazy. I feel like just slapping you both sides. You have come to support your usual level here again. Is this your father's house? Maybe in Akwalo. Go and do the pounded yam and serve.
Mama, the insult is too much. This is my house. I will not take you insulting my husband. Baby, let's go inside.
This is my daughter's house. It's my house. Okay, go. Have you seen what you have caused? Have you seen it? Have you seen it?
Mama, look for a place and rest too. What's all this problem now?
Have you seen
I let them to enjoy their home.
Put you home. Put you home. Okpo, put you home.
I'll leave you here. Oh, okay, you left. This drama continues. From the village to the city. Mama is up.
Look at
What is going on? Mama, good morning.
Look at you. You insisted on marrying a woman far richer than you are. That is how you reduced yourself into a boy or a fair. Boy. A man, a full-fledged man that should have gone and looked for something to do in Azai early morning. Cannot even sing proper song. I don't want you to complain. If you complain, you will die. You must remain in this your boy state forever. Nonsense.
Mama, what would you like for breakfast?
What I would like for breakfast?
Yes.
What I would like for breakfast is for you to leave my daughter and go very far away so that she will open her eyes to see a man that is in her class. Since you don't want to go, you like the life of a boy you are living, no problem. But you have to walk out your faith with fear and trembling. Any food you're going to eat here, you walk and earn it. Nothing is free in this life. I don't want to hear complaint from you, and I don't want to hear you disturb my daughter.
Mama, Oledo and I, we love each other. I'm sorry, we can't leave each other.
Shut up. What do you know about love?
Love is blind.
You be idiot. Her own love sees. The type of love I know, he sees your eyes are clear. Okay, if you make somebody pregnant, the person will be blind because he will not see you. My own love sees clearly. What do you know about love? You think love is selling broom, short broom in village market? Village champion, you call yourself lover boy. It is so stupid to think that. Just get me abacha, let me eat. I will have access. I don't see the love in you. What I see is thievery.
Mama, but abacha, it's too early to buy abacha. The people selling it, I'm not sure they are out. We have to wait till evening.
Before we eat?
Yes, ma'am.
Till evening before we eat?
Before we get abacha.
I'm not looking for the people selling abacha. I want abacha. Just go and buy it. Don't waste my time. I'm already feeling very hungry.
Okay, I'll see what I can do, Mama.
Go and look for abacha. Don't buy me nonsense abacha. If you don't see the one that is made, buy abacha. Buy okoroko, dry fish, they say born again. And come and make me a quality abacha. Buy otaze that you used to garnish it. Buy crayfish, oporo, all these things. That is what you can do. That is kind of work. Your mother trained you in the village, so you know how to do this stuff. So go and do it now for breakfast. Go, also. Go and buy it now. Are you lost or something? What sense?
Mama, I'm still cleaning. I need to pack it.
Get away! Just pack what? Get away! Shoo, get out! Get away! Leave that thing and go do it. Hey, you just
Huh?
You stink. Leave in AC. Go and shower before you go and buy the abacha stuff, before you contaminate it.
Oh, I've been cleaning the house, so I'm sweating, that's why.
Can I ask for your opinion?
Ma?
Get away! Don't buy my abacha, let me eat. Where are you going there? Go. Shoo. Get away!
Mama, let me pack the debt.
Just get out. The whole police goes there. Get away! Out! Only don't talk. If Rocha, woman. What is such a go? It's a waste! Oh no! Fugo? What is he doing now, sir? Just come and buy me something. That's why he decided to sleep there. Honestly.
Mama?
What took you so long?
Ma?
What took you so long?
Sorry, Mama. Huh?
Please, your mother. Don't ever call me that. Don't ever call me your mother. I'm not your mother.
Sorry, Ma.
What took you so long?
Mama, did I stay long?
You're an idiot. I sent you to go and buy me something since morning and you're just coming.
But I just left here 15 minutes ago.
I couldn't shut up. I'm talking to you. Am I your mate?
I'm sorry, Ma. Sorry, Ma.
Give it to me.
Sorry, Ma.
I don't know what is wrong with you. Maybe the gay, I don't know.
Sorry, Ma.
You are sorry, Nkegi. What is this?
Ma?
What is the meaning of this?
Akara.
What is akara? Did I ask you to go and buy me akara?
Yes, you said akara.
You a fool. You are an idiot. I asked you to go and buy me abacha. Abacha with okporoko and I even asked you to bring by, like you make it here.
No, Mama, you said Akara, A-K-A-R-A.
Am I mad like you or something? I don't know what I said again.
No, you said Akara, Mama.
Please shut up.
No, you said Akara.
If I just... What is this?
Mama, I'm sorry. I know you're very hungry, but I'm almost done.
And you're pounding Gary for me to eat?
Mama, you said you wanted Gary.
I've always known that you came here for a mission. To eliminate me, to kill me.
Kill you how, Mama?
Yes! Don't you know that Gary is not good for an ulcer patient? I have ulcer. And eating this Gary will aggravate it to the extent that I may not even survive it.
Mama, I'm sorry, but...
Oh, shut up, you know!
Mama, you told me you wanted Gary. That's what I'm...
I didn't tell you I want Gary. I told you I want rice. Wasn't what I told you?
Rice?
Yes! Make small fried rice for me. And make it fast. I am very, very hungry.
Okay, Mama, please specify white rice or jollof rice.
Maybe idiot. I just said fried rice.
Oh, fried rice.
Or you want me to slap so I can reset your brain?
What type of protein? Chicken or beef?
If you put one part of your eyes, it will do.
Okay.
Is there no chicken in the freezer?
Let me get it.
Oh, please hurry up. Oh, look at this boy. I was coming here to scoop food to eat. Oh, let me wait for my food if I don't kill you this now.
What is that?
Take first.
No. Not until you tell me what it is and what you want me to do with it.
Oledo, this will help get rid of this unwanted thing you carry in your belly.
Unwanted thing that I'm carrying in my belly?
This child is not wanted. He came at the wrong time. See, take it so that you can free yourself from this bondage you call marriage. This is a charade. It's no marriage.
Mother.
Take it, Biko.
Mother, you are unbelievable. I can't believe a mother like you is saying this. You want me to get rid of my gift, my blessing from God. Mother, for crying out loud, I am happily married. Happily.
Happily married to who? To imbecile? To a clown? To a church rat? This is no marriage. A marriage where the woman is in charge is no marriage.
Mother, if you are here to ridicule my husband, call him names, and turn him to a little rat, like you said, then you have no place in my home. It is time for you to go. I didn't invite you to my house in the first place.
Like, seriously? What are you asking me to leave your house? Like, for real? Your mother? All because I am trying to do you a favor and give you your freedom back so they can be free to marry the better man, a rich man, a good man.
Onyeka is a proper man. Onyeka is a real man. He is my husband, the love of my life. Mother, please, stop. Please.
Where are you going? Look at Oledo. Oledo. Look at this girl. I'm only trying to do her a favor.
Hey, babe. What's up? What's up? Why is your face like this? That's not my baby. What is wrong? Why is your face like that?
How?
What happened? Stop doing that. You can't deceive me. It's written all over you. What's going on? Who made you angry? Listen, if it's about my mother, I swear to God, I will ask her to leave this minute, and I mean it.
No, you don't have to do that. It's not necessary.
Sweetie, it is necessary. I mean, look at you. She has turned you to a mere house boy in your own house. And I gave her that opportunity because I allowed her to stay here. She needs to leave. Yes.
No, you can't ask your mother to leave. She's your mother. Besides, where's she going to go? Back to the village? No. I understand that, she can be weird sometimes. And I also feel sad because she always sees me like a nobody. But it's okay. I can still manage her. She's not that bad.
My love, you're not a nobody. I mean, my mother is just pained. She's angry because I didn't marry the person she wanted me to marry. I tell you what, one day she's going to die of anger and jealousy, envy.
Don't say that. Don't wish your mother bad. God is not going to be happy with you. Don't worry. You shall overcome.
I know. I hate to see you like this.
I'm fine. Everything will be okay.
Have you seen it now? Do you know how much they sell glass in the market? Serve food, you're dancing with food. It's because you don't have work. If you had something important doing, you wouldn't be doing this. Idiots.
Mama, your food is ready.
Take.
Should I wash it for you?
Wash it for your grandmother and your mother.
My grandmother is dead.
They give it to your mother or your father. Henceforth, that is your uniform. Especially when you're in the kitchen, cooking, washing plates and all that. You wear this.
Mama, is it necessary?
Yes, it is necessary because you're very dirty. If you were wearing this now, probably that tumbler would have fallen into the pocket of this. Would have saved it.
Mama, has the pocket.
He has everything. Has a rope. Since you are daft, you wear it. Listen, anytime you want to serve my food and don't come with this, I will beat you with the phone.
Mama, your food is getting cold.
Who is your mother? Who is your mother? If you don't know who your mother is, I will draw her. Without her pinot head, I will draw for you.
You're my wife's mother.
Okay, you're there.
Mama, your food is...
And where are you running? You should have stayed for me to come and meet you. Easy. Your food is cold. Is it your food? Hey! Look at the rice, as white as he is. I don't know whether the whiteness has entered his head and his stomach and brain. I will eat this thing. Dwayne has danced to scatter the whole place. Come and carry this rice, oh! White rice! Hey! Are you
Sister, I have a program in Lagos for a day after tomorrow.
Okay.
So, I'll be leaving for Lagos tomorrow.
You are doing well.
Thank you.
God will continue to be with you, bless you and protect you in all your activities.
Amen. Please take care of my brother. please.
I always do.
I know.
He's my baby.
I know. You see, that Chidi, your brother, oh my God, he's such a lovely person. He's so kind and respectful. Unlike the Amobi guy that came the last time.
Chidi's a good person. He took after our father.
Why the other one took after your mother, I guess?
You can say that again. I mean, it's always like that in most families.
I know.
Mother.
You're okay. Where do you normally rush out to go in the morning and come back late in the evening? I hope it is not your scheme of dodging chores in this house. Mia, what are you doing in this house? Are you not old enough to get married and start having children? Eh? Remember that about attachment?
Mama, I'm a banker. I leave early in the morning and I come back late at night.
You should have used that to your banking money and rent an apartment and live as you like. Eh? Because this statement you made is very, very untrue, as I can say. Listen, I don't care how you do it though, but whatever you're going to, come back early and do your chores in this house, else I will throw you away. I don't have time for losers like you.
Mama, this is my brother's house.
This is your brother's house. Will you just shut that your mouth? Does your brother know how much a 5 inches nail costs in the market? Ordinary 5 inches nail. This house belongs to my daughter. If you don't know, let me help you before you die. So if you must live in this house, you must do as I say. Else, you won't like what I will do to you.
Mother. Mother, why are you like this? You just came out of nowhere to interrupt our beautiful discussion.
What nonsense discussion? Married women have friends with married women. Single girls have friendship with single girls. What are you doing with this? As old as this ex, she's not married. And you are keeping her in your house. What are you doing with her?
Sister, I'll see you in the morning, okay? Good night. Good night.
Yeah, I am talking to you. You're walking in. Is that how she behaves? I don't blame her. I blame you. You know, Hannah, you're the one making them to insult and not respect me in this house. It's all your fault.
You know what, Mother? I don't have time for this. I don't have time for you. I need to go inside and be with my sweet, handsome, humble husband.
Excuse me. Oh, you're only going away. No problem. I own this house. I must possess my possession. Come on, scrape this carrot.
Huh?
Scrape carrot or someone. Hey! Oh, drop it now. Drop it. There's a monkey. Scrape the others. They're not started scrape. Look at the big one in your head. Leave that carrot. Leave it. Leave it. You want to finish the carrot. Go and scrape that one. Good.
Ma?
Cut that one. Cut it right now! What happened to this? What happened to this plate?
Which one?
Then, where are the others now?
Ma, there was a table.
Why didn't you bring them here? Keep that in here, come and set the plate. Nonsense. Come and jam me. What is wrong with you? No. Give it back. Give it back. Come. Give it back. if you break any, you pay. Bring this cabbage and cut. Walk it back.
Huh?
Watch it. What is this? Tomatoes. You have not fried it yet. Oh yeah. You have not fried this tomatoes. Put that in here. Bring the pot. Let's fry these tomatoes. Rinse it. What is?
What?
Watch it now. Rush. Put the food up, why are you laughing with? Is it me? In fact, it's obvious you are mad. Where is the plate? Where?
What?
Guy, get me plate! Sir! Get away! Get me plate! Go and get me plate.
I made jollof rice and
Who is asking you? What am I doing with your opinion?
I purposely brought the flask.
So that put your head inside.
No, because it makes the food hot.
Did I ask you to make it cold or hot? Go and bring plates. Go and bring plates! Opo, Mama, you fair.
Ma?
Put the 2 plates on my head. What's up?
I brought 2 plates. One for you, one for me.
Hey! One for you, one for me. Because husband and wife, son and mother. What? I will remove your brain and serve you in this place if you don't take it away. Take it away now! Anyway, I don't have anything to say. Oh,
I made the jollof rice with fish.
who asked for your opinion? Can make it with your liver. Idiot.
You enjoy it, ma?
Shift that plate. You look at it, you want to break it, you're looking at it like that. Opo. If you like, carry it on your head. Hi, this boy, you are wicked.
Is it hot?
Did you add more salt?
Salt? No. Salt? No.
Hi.
Wait. Ma?
What are you good at? Serve food. Bah. Cook it so that somebody will eat it and enjoy it. Bah. What is wrong with you? What is it that somebody will see and say, this is why I like this idiotic boy?
But, man, the food is sweet. Taste it again.
So that I will die, right? Of raw salt poisoning.
But, I didn't put salt.
So who did?
You.
Me?
Yes.
How?
I saw you.
Onyeka, you didn't just call me a liar.
Ma?
But you called me a mad woman when you see me.
I never said that. I only said it was you who put salt.
How dare you? You little imp.
Imp?
Idiotic boy. Go and make fresh one. Go and make me fresh food. Fresh food. food that will taste well. And if it doesn't, you're going to go through this again. And not be no fear. You want me to use knife on you? Ha!
There's no salt in the fish.
Okay, you poison this one so that we're dead.
There's no salt in the fish. You have tried the fish.
You don't want to go? You idiot. It's my like I don't know. What is this? What kind of a husband is this? Husband that does not have one single sense in his head.
Been going on and you did not even care to tell me. I am going to the city now. Naga city now. Difa, maltreating my own son.
Calm down. You don't just go there just like that.
Hey, Ojugo, why won't I go there? Tell me, why won't I go? Why must that witch go to the city to disturb my son and his wife? Makagene? Magarene, I must go there. It's not fair.
Mama, your friend is right. Besides, Onyeka sees nothing wrong in serving that woman.
It then means that she has bewitched my son. Yes. If he sees nothing wrong in that, how can my son be serving her? How can she be maltreating my own son in his own house?
Mama, you still go. But first of all, you need a strong reason.
Yes.
You can't just barge into people like that.
If you go there like that, your son will not welcome you with both hands.
Let him chase me away if he sees me. Evelyn has no reason to be there. She hates my son for no reason at all. But my God will fight her with Holy Ghost fire.
Amen.
Maltreating my son in his house. For what?
Calm down, sit down. Let's get a good reason. Let's just think something. Let's get something, a good reason why you will go.
Exactly what I said.
Calm down.
Ojugo, find a good reason. Let me go there. Disturbing my son up and down. Evil woman. Bad woman. Agabody your son over there. Can't I do this? Maltreating my own son in his house. Money I got my fire game. Oh, they go too much.
I think I am done with this. What are you still doing there? Huh? I just concluded a phone call with your mother right now. I do not know what your mother is still doing at Oledo's place. Just busy constituting nuisance. Why won't your mother let them have peace in their home? What is she doing there?
My mother is constituting nuisance in her daughter's home. How sure are you? Just sit down here. Just from phone call, you have concluded that my mother is disturbing. Nah, I could pull my mother.
Please shut up. Like mother, like son.
It's better now. It's better than being irrational like you.
Dare you insult me? Are you mad? Are you?
Am I mad? No, Papa, tell me who is not normal. Me or you that allowed my only sister to marry that low life? If you hadn't allowed her to marry that guy, that good-for-nothing boy, my mother wouldn't be there by now, trying to arrange the home.
Will you shut up and clean what is in your mouth? The married low life. Married low life. I thought you've learned your lesson. From the rejection you got from Okwoma's family, I thought you've learned your lessons. You do not want somebody to have an opportunity to marry your sister. And you want to be given an opportunity to marry another person's daughter. Are you mad? I thought you are very intelligent. I never knew you have sawdust in your brain.
See, Papa. Is it because I didn't tell you? You were the reason they rejected me. Oh, Makai. Kongu guy. See ya, Papa. Papa. I'm just going to start that wall.
What are you doing in the kitchen and why are you wearing apron?
So which question should I answer first? Okay, what am I doing in the kitchen? Well, I'm making something for Mama to eat. Secondly, she said I must always wear this in the kitchen and around her.
You're making something for my mother to eat.
Mm-hmm.
And she said you must always wear an apron.
Mm-hmm. Around her and in the kitchen.
What? Is she out of her mind? What?
But, my love, what's wrong with that?
Please, remove the apron.
But
Baby, don't argue. Please, don't. Remove the apron first, please. Remove it.
Wait.
Please go to the living room and
But I'm not done.
Please go. I'll take care of you. Just go. Please. Goodness. What is wrong with my mother? What? Why?
Yeah? What are you doing here?
Mama?
Huh?
Huh?
What are you doing here?
Mama, I'm watching TV. I'm watching Mama G. She's a very good mother-in-law in this film.
Very stupid. Is this the fufu and vegetable soup I asked you to make for me?
Mama, my wife is taking care of that.
What?
My wife.
You allowed my daughter to cook in this house?
And what is wrong with that?
Huh?
Yes.
Oledo, the kitchen is not for you, but for him.
Says who?
Says me! You should be the one to do the cooking. That's what are you doing in this house?
I am the woman of the house. It's in my place to cook and feed my household. What is your problem? Why are you disrespecting my husband?
That kitchen is not for you, but for him. He should be the one to do the cooking. If not, what is he doing in this house?
Mother.
He's just loafing around.
Can you hear yourself?
Of course.
I've not seen our father cook. You're the one that always do the cooking. So what is your problem? Why are you talking to my husband like that?
Your father was an able-bodied man at his age. He brings in the money, makes everybody comfortable, including you. What does this one do?
Ma?
Yes! What are you doing in this house?
Mama. Enough. Please. You are my mother. I don't want it to be said that I disrespected my mother. Mama, but you are pushing too hard. Stop it, Mama. Stop disrespecting my husband. I don't like it. Stop it. If not, I'm going to send you away. I've said this several times. And this time, I mean it.
Already, when you were living with me in that house, in my own house, did I ever ask you to leave? Just because of this thing?
Then behave yourself. Respect my husband. He is my husband. And this is our house.
Have you seen what your cousin?
Baby, let's okay, baby, let's
by eating popcorn, that is where you're doing your hard work. You go open and by eating popcorn and hanging your leg on the chair. Don't worry.
So hard not to disrespect my mother.
No problem. No problem. So bad, bro. I should be the one to hang my leg, not you. Idiot.
Sister, do you know that the other day, Papa even called me and he was wondering why Mama is still staying here.
Exactly. She doesn't want to go and take care of her own husband. She's bent up frustrating my own husband.
Sister, it's going to be fine. Please, just don't stress yourself.
Who's there? Please check who's at the door.
Sure. Baba, you're welcome.
Hey,
Mama!
Hey, my daughter.
Welcome.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
You're looking good.
Your son is obviously taking good care of you.
Just my son. I know what you can do.
Sit down.
Hey, thank you.
What a surprise visit. Sit down, sit down.
Hey, hey, Mama, come on.
Thank you, Mama.
Hey.
Thank you. You can sit.
Hey.